Welcome aspirants. Now we are going to discuss about UPSC 2022 GS paper answers and detailed explanations. So first question will be, the rapid financing instrument and the rapid credit facility are related to the provisions of lending by which one of the following? The answer will be International Monetary Fund. Then second question, with reference to Indian economy, consider the following statements. First one, an increase in nominal effective exchange rate indicates the appreciation of rupees. Yeah, it's true. Then an increase in the real effective exchange rate indicates an improvement in trade competitiveness. Yeah, it's false. Then third one will be an increase in trend in domestic inflation relative to inflation in other countries is likely to cause an increasing divergence between near and rear. Yeah, it's true. So the final answer will be option C, 1 and 3 only. The next question, with reference to Indian economy, consider the following statements. First one, if the inflation is too high, the Reserve Bank of India is likely to buy government security. No, it's false. If the rupee is rapidly depreciating, RBI is likely to sell dollars in the market. Yeah, it's true. Then, if interest rates is in the US or European Union were to fall, that is likely to induce RBI to buy the dollars. Yeah, it's true. So the final answer will be option B, 2 and 3 only. The fourth question, with reference to the G20 common framework, consider the following statements. First one, it is an initiative endorsed by G20 together with the Paris Club. Yeah, it's true. Second, it is an initiative to support low-income countries with unsustainable debt. Yeah, it's true. So the final answer will be both 1 and 2. Then fifth question, with reference to Indian economy, what are the advantages of inflation indexed bonds? That means IIBs. Okay. The first one, government can reduce the coupon rates on its borrowing by the way of IIBs. Yeah, it's true. IIBs provide protection to the investors from uncertainty regarding inflation. Yeah, it's true. The interest received as well as capital gains on IIBs are not taxable. No, it's false. So the answer will be both 1 and 2. Then sixth question, with reference to foreign-owned e-commerce firms operating in India, which one of the following statements are correct? The first one, they can sell their own goods in addition to offering their platforms as markets. No, it's false. The degree to which they can own big sellers on their platforms is limited. Yeah, it's true. The final answer will be option B, 2 only. Then the second question, which of the following activities constitute real sector in the economy? The first one, firms harvesting the crops. Yeah, it's true. Then the textile mills converting raw materials into fabrics. Yeah, it's true. A commercial bank lending money to trading company. No, it's false. Then the corporate body issuing rupee denominated bonds overseas. No, it's false. So the final answer will be option A, 1 and 2 only. Then eighth question, which one of the following situations best reflects indirect transfers often talked about in media recently with reference to India? So the answer will be option D, a foreign company transfers shares and such shares derive their substantial value from assets located in India. So the answer will be D. The ninth question, with reference to the expenditure made by an organization or a company, which of the following statement is correct? So the first one, acquiring new technology is capital expenditure. Yeah, it's true. Debt financing is considered capital expenditure, while equity financing is considered revenue expenditure. No, it's false. So the answer will be option A, 1 only. 10th question will be, with reference to the Indian economy, consider the following statements. First one, a share of the household financial savings goes towards government borrowings. Yeah, it's true. Dated securities issued at market-related rates in auction forms a large component of internal debt. No. Yeah, it's also false. It's also true. Sorry. So the answer will be both 1 and 2. So the 10th question, the answer will be 1 and 2. The 11th question will be, Consider the following statements. So, first one, pursuant to the report of H. N. Sanyal Committee, the Contempt of Courts Act 1971 was passed. Yeah, it's true. The Constitution of India empowers the Supreme Court and the High Courts to punish the contempt of themselves. That's true. Then third will be the Constitution of India defines civil contempt and criminal contempt. No, it's false. In India, the parliament is vested with the powers to make laws on contempt of courts. No, it's false. So the final answer will be option A, 1 and 2 only. The 12th question, with reference to India, consider the following statements. First one, governmental officers and legal firms are recognized as advocates, but the corporate lawyers and the patent attorneys are excluded from the recognition of advocates. No, it's false. Option second will be, bar councils have the power to lay down the rules relating to the legal education and the recognition of law colleges. Yeah, it's true. So the final answer will be option B, 2 only. In 13th question, consider the following statements. A bill amending to the Constitution requires a prior recommendation of the President of India. No, it's false. When a constitutional amendment bill is presented to the President of India, it is obligatory for the President of India to give his or her assent. Yeah, it's true. Then a constitutional amendment bill must be passed by both Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha by a special majority, and there is no provision for joint sitting. Yeah, it's true. So the answer will be both 2 and 3 only. Then consider the following statements. The Constitution of India classifies the ministers into 4 ranks like cabinet ministers, ministers of states with independent charges, minister of states, and deputy minister. No, it's false. The total number of ministers in the union government, including the prime minister, shall not exceed 15% of total numbers of members in the Lok Sabha. That's true. So the answer will be B only. That means 2 only. Then 15th question was, which of the following is or the exclusive powers of Lok Sabha? First one, to ratify the declaration of emergency. No, it's false. To pass the motion of confidence, motion of no confidence against the Council of Ministers. Yeah, it's true. Third was to impeach the President of India. It's false. So the final answer will be option B, 2 only. Then 16th question was, with reference to the anti-defection law in India, consider the following statements. First one, the law specifies that nominated legislator cannot join any political party within 6 months of being appointed to the House. No, it's false. The law does not provide any time frame within which the presiding officer has to decide a defection case. Yeah, it's true. So the answer will be B, 2 only. Then 17th question, consider the following statements. Attorney General of India and Solicitor General of India are the only officers of government who are allowed to participate in the meetings of the Parliament of India. No, it's false. Then, according to the Constitution of India, the Attorney General of India submits his resignation when the government which appoints him resigns. That's true. So the answer will be B, 2 only. Then 18th question was, with reference to the writs issued by the courts in India, consider the following statements. The first one, mandamus will not lie against a private organization unless it is entrusted with a public duty. That's true. Second one, the mandamus will not lie against a company, even though it may be a government company. No, it's false. Then, any public-minded person can be a petitioner to move the court to obtain the writ of quo warranto. Yeah, it's true. So the final answer will be option C, 1 and 3 only. Then 19th question was, with reference to the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, consider the following statements. First one, private and public hospitals must adapt it. No, false. As it aims to achieve universal health coverage, every citizen of India must be part of it ultimately. No, it's false. Then third one, it has seamlessly portability across the country. Yeah, it's true. So the option will be option B, 3 only. Then 20th question was, with reference to Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, consider the following statements. First one, as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha, the election of Deputy Speaker shall be held on such date as the Speaker may fix. Yeah, it's true. Then, there is a mandatory provision that the election of candidate as Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha shall be from either the principal opposition party or the ruling party. No, it's false. Then, the Deputy Speaker has the same power as the Speaker when presiding over the sitting of the House, and no appeal lies against his rules. Yeah, it's true. The fourth was the well-established parliamentary practice regarding the appointment of Deputy Speaker is that the motion is moved by the Speaker and duly seconded by the Prime Minister. No, it's false. So the final answer was option A, 1 and 3 only. Then we are going to 21st question. Among the following crops, which one of the following is most important anthropogenic source of both methane and nitrous oxide? It's a direct question. So the option will be B, rice. Then system of rice intensification of cultivation in which alternate wetting and drying of rice fields is practiced results in option A, reduced seed requirement. Yeah, it's true. Reduced methane production. Yeah, it's true. Then reduced electricity consumption. It will be false. So the final answer will be both 1 and 2 only will be the answer. Then which one of the following lakes of West Africa has become dry and turned into the desert? So it was the most important question. The answer will be Lake Fagibin. Then 24th question will be Gandikota Canyon of South India was created by which of the following rivers? The option will be C, Pennar. Then we are going to 25th question. Consider the following pairs. They give 3 pairs and the mountains of peaks. So which of the following pairs is given or above the correctly matched? So the answer will be B, 2 only. Nanda Devi Peak is in common Himalaya. Then 26th question was the term Levant, often heard in the news, roughly corresponds to which of the following regions? Option A, the region along the eastern Mediterranean shores. It was the answer. So option A. Then consider the following questions. Consider the following countries. So which of the above have borders with Afghanistan? So the answer will be option C, 3, 4, and 5. That means Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan have the borders with Afghanistan. So option C. It was the most expected questions. Then answer 28 for the 28 with reference to India. Consider the following statements. Monazite is a source of rare earth. Yeah, it's true. Then monazite contains thorium. Yeah, it's true. Then monazite occurs naturally in the entire eastern coasts of sand. No, it's false. Not in entire Indian coastal sands. So option C was eliminated. And then in India, the government bodies only can process and export monazite. Yeah, correct. So the option will be 1, 2, and 4. Option B. Then 29th question will be in the northern hemisphere, the longest day of the year normally occurs in the option B, second half of the month of June. Okay, super. Then 30th question was consider the following pairs. They gave wetland or lake and their location. The first one, Hokera wetland is in Jammu Kashmir, so it falls. Then Renuka wetland is in Himachal Pradesh. Yeah, it's true. Rudrasagar wetland is in Tripura. It's true. Then Sastamkota wetland is in Kerala, but they gave Tamil Nadu. No, it's false. So how many such pairs are correctly matched? There are only 2 pairs. Okay, aspirants, in this video, we discussed the first 30 questions of GS paper of UPSC 2022. In the next upcoming sessions, we are discussing the remaining options. Thank you. Keep in touch.